Okay guys, we've got the Jeep Dent. We see these all the time. What happens is these doors are held on with a retention strap. If you take the door off, don't attach that strap. It can overextend, and then the corner of the mirror strikes here. So usually pretty deep, tough dent to fix. It's very easy to crack the paint or cause some poking. So lots of time, patience, heat, and expertise is required to fix these. Stay tuned. All right, all done with the Jeep Cowl Dent, the Jeep Dent. Pretty deep dent, came out great. Used some heat, various different tips, materials, and shapes. Slowly sculpted that metal out. Dentmasters.com. Thanks for watching. All right, here's the setup. Heat gun mounted, ready to go to work. Okay, one more look outside in the sunlight. If you look at the reflection of the building in the background, you can see this is an excellent repair. A slight bit of distortion there, but I think this is a great result. Paintless dent repair. Dentmasters.com. Thanks for watching.